Well. Hello there, everybody. How are you doing? Welcome. Welcome to the page. Welcome to success. Welcome to wealth. Welcome to building your own financial dynasty. The days of struggling are over. They are over. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. You don't have to be broke, busted, and disgusted. You don't have to work 2 and 3 jobs. And most of the time, when you work those 2 and 3 jobs, you're still struggling. Come on, somebody, help me now. Folks, I was in that condition. My wife, Cass, and I were in that condition over 10 years ago, homeless, broke. And we got involved with direct mail. And 10 years later, we're still involved with direct mail. Not only involved, but doing extremely well because direct mail set us free financially. And I'm here as a mentor. I'm here as a coach to let you know that I know that the struggle is real. Yes, I've been in opportunity before that failed and didn't work. Yes, I've lost money in opportunities before that didn't work. But guess what? We all have. All of us that have that entrepreneurial spirit. That's what it's called. There's something deep down inside of you. I want you to listen to me. There's something that's deep down inside of you that wants to be their own boss, that wants to control their own life, that wants to live life on your terms. There's something on the inside of you that a job is just not satisfying. And it's called an entrepreneurial spirit. And there's a diamond inside of you. And I want to pull it out. Because you don't have to struggle. You don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. You can receive unlimited $400 commissions. That's right. You see it at the bottom of the screen there, how to make $400 commissions. That's pretty powerful right there. Some people only make $400 a week. I'm talking about making $400 commissions every day, multiple times, and over and over and over and over again. What if you made $400 a day, 6 days a week? $400 a day, 6 days a week. Folks, let me tell you something. There is never a day when there's not money in the mailbox. And you can have that same type of experience. And I want you to have that same type of experience. I want to hear you call me and like, oh, Reverend Wilson, I just got a $400 commission. And there are some people that have 5, 6 of these a day coming in. Can you imagine 5? Let's just say, let's just be simple. Can you imagine 2? 2 a day, $800 a day. I want you to expand your imagination. I want you to see yourself. Go into your mailbox. Visualize yourself going to your mailbox and opening 5 envelopes. Each one has $400 cash commissions inside. Visualize yourself having and receiving the money that you want. Visualize yourself successful. Visualize yourself wealthy. Visualize yourself. Visualize yourself. Because that's where it starts. It starts with visualization. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, because see, you're getting some good information right now. And I believe there are people right now, you're being motivated, you're being encouraged, and you're being blessed. So you make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I put up these powerful videos. How to make $400 commissions. I'm going to show you in just a moment how you can make $400 commissions. But you got to visualize. You got to visualize it. You have to visualize it. You got to see yourself going to that mailbox. You got to see yourself counting those $100 bills. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. You got to see yourself successful, because you deserve it. You deserve to be successful. You deserve to be financially free. You deserve to have more than enough. You deserve to live an abundant life. How to make $400 commissions. I am going to reveal to you how that is possible and how you are going to start earning $400 commissions. And here we go right here. $400 cash commissions from every hefty $500 sale. Receive $400 in your mailbox. Look at that mailbox right there. That's what you have to visualize. Look at that mailbox right there. That's what you got to visualize. That mailbox with all that money coming out of it, that's what you need to visualize yourself receiving. That's what you need to visualize yourself having. That's what you need to imagine right there. Because you know what? It's possible, and it will and can happen for you. This is a one-page flyer that my good friend Kevin, is the admin of this program. Okay? This is powerful. And then he has a bonus here. For every second sale, you will receive 90 free opportunity buyer leads. That's worth money right there. That's worth money right there. And that can add up every second sale, 90 free opportunity buyer leads. That's powerful. That's powerful. Now check out people always ask me, well, what about the response rate? What's the response rate? Well, we're going to lowball it. And it says right here on the flyer, mail 500 to 1,000 of these flyers. Now check this out. With a realistic 1% response. Folks, that's nothing. That's nothing. with a realistic 1% response, you can earn $2,000 to $4,000 from every mailing. What would an extra $2,000 do for you before Christmas? What would an extra $4,000 do for you before Christmas? This came right on time. This is right on time for the holidays and right into the new year, receiving unlimited $400 cash commissions. Okay? Now, the cool thing that I also like about this, check this out. No cheating. No cheating. No dishonest admins stealing your money. All the money comes to you. I like the programs where the money comes straight to you. Okay? It comes straight to you. You don't have to go through an admin and wait for your check to come in the mail. And, it all comes to you. And that's what it says. It comes straight to you. All right? No free spots on flyers creating an unfair advantage for the admin or some members. Everyone pays the same price to join. Woo, that's powerful. No website. You don't need no website. No computer. You don't need a computer. No internet required to earn money. Just mail this powerful flyer. No multiple pages of flyers to print. Just print and mail this one-sided flyer. Hello. Real products. Check this out. Real products. You will receive a USB flash drive with our top marketing courses and training that we currently sell for over $1,000 online. Plus, you'll receive our direct mail resources and tips. Folks, this is your time. This is your time. Now, to get started, you're going to send $400 cash or money order to the member below. Also, you're going to send $100 to the admin below. And the admin will confirm with the member that he or she has received their $400 payment. The admin will then rush out your USB flash drive, your marketing tips and resources, a color copy and a black and white copy of this flyer imprinted with your information. With your information. And you're going to mail everything priority mail with tracking. So see down here, you're going to send $400 to the member right here. Now your information can be right here. Your information can be right here. Let's put that up some. Your information can be right here. Yes, it can. Your information can be right here. And that way you start receiving $400 commissions over and over and over again, coming straight to your address. Straight to your address. Hello? And this is Kevin. Kevin is the admin of the program. And you can reach the admin right here. His phone number is right here. Okay? You can reach me. My phone number is right here. 330-949-8255. $42.59. How to make $400 commissions. You simply get involved with this flyer and start mailing and watch those $400 cash commissions appear in your mailbox. In your mailbox. Let me show you again what you receive when you become a member of the $400 cash commissions. Real products. You're going to receive a USB flash drive with our top marketing courses and training. Okay? You're also going to receive our direct mail resources and tips, plus your color copy of this flyer and the black and white copy of this flyer with your information as the member to receive those $400 commissions. Folks, I'm going to have everything down here in the description of this video of how you can get started. And you can literally even get started via Cash App. You can literally Cash App the $400 to me, and then Cash App the admin, the $100 admin fee. And folks, you can get up and get started right now. This admin is fast. You can get up and get started right now. Right now. He'll email you the PDF immediately, so you have access to it the moment you send the Cash App. You have access to it immediately. And then you'll get all your materials in the mail, the USB flash drive of our top marketing courses and training. The admin sells this for $1,000 online. You're getting it when you become a member. And you receive our direct mail resources and tips. Everything is right here for you, folks. Everything is right here for you. And I am excited about the $400 cash commissions. That's what it's called, the $400 cash commissions. I'm excited. I'm excited for you. I'm excited to see you succeed. I'm excited to see you successful. I'm excited to see you at the top. Well, folks, I'm out of here. This is Reverend Wilson. All the information will be in the description of the video. Let's get you started today. Today's the day. Now's the time for you to be on the receiving end of these $400, these $400 commissions. Hey, you have any questions? You can call me on my cell phone, 330-949-4259. Let me help you. Let me hold your hand. Let me show you how to make these $400 commissions. I'm waiting to hear from you. I'm waiting to work with you. I'm waiting to help you. God bless.